Hi! For today's video, we will be talking about globalization and what is my say about it. Globalization is already part of our everyday lives. It is important to learn globalization in order for us to know its movements in the environment and as well as in the society. Let us begin with finding definitions about globalization and know where globalization belongs. If it is an idea, a process, or a condition. From the meaning of Oxford dictionaries, globalization is the process by which businesses or other organizations develop international influence or start operating on an international scale. Another meaning is globalization is a process by which people and goods move easily across borders. So principally, it's an economic concept, the integration of markets, trade, and investments with few barriers to slow the flow of products and services between nations. By those meanings, we can say that globalization is really a process. But in what way? Or how can we say that globalization is a process? I say globalization is a process of change. And when we say change, there are steps involved in it, consisting the flow of multitude of forces, the flow of capital, the flow of technology, the flow of information, the flow of people, cultural ideas, and knowledge. All of these were present in businesses, and the implications of these flows act as a catalyst for economic, social, political, and cultural change. Globalization refers to the increasing interdependence of world economies as a result of the growing scale of cross-border trade of commodities and services, flow of international capital, wide and rapid spread of technologies. Here is another instance that we can say that globalization is really a process. Some automobiles use parts from other countries. A car being assembled in the United States may import parts from Japan, Germany, or Korea. This creates a whole new avenue for trade. When the United States has to pay for certain parts from around the world, wait for them to be shipped, and then resume localized production. It is a process due to many countries that are involved in that business, and you cannot do that by not having a process in a particular business. Globalization is important because it is one of the most powerful forces affecting the modern world, so much that it can be difficult to make sense of the world without understanding globalization. Thank you so much, and I hope that you learned a lot.